learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Each year, the winds are the strongest during the months of September through December. Villagers living in Xinbu and Beipu of Hsinchu County take advantage of the strong winds to make dried persimmons. To preserve their natural sweetness, fresh persimmons are peeled, dried, and roasted. The creative Hakka people also use this fruit to make a variety of specialties, including persimmon wine, tea, pancakes, and more.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And Leo's here, so we're going to ask him more about the culture and maybe certain phrases. 接下来呢，9月到12月啊，虽然现在天气不错，可是我听说新竹那边的风会很大，而且呢，有一个名字，以前有一个电影也是用这个名字做题材。
我知道。
九降風
九江風
that's it 九江風Okay, those are gusty winds in Hsinchu, very known for that, especially during the next few months till December. 那是不是有什么东西跟九降风新竹地区客家人又多有关的一些俗语啦，或者是
有一种食品跟这个九江風有很大的关系。
Oh yeah, something related to food and this gusty winds.
我提示你，在那个新竹的新埔和北埔的地方。
我知道，我这边开车路边常会看到卖柿子跟柿饼。
对，吃的饼
哦，对，吃的饼不是吃的饼哦，它就是柿饼。
对，就是柿饼，吃的饼，对
，That's persimmon cakes. Okay, so 可能是因为这个风很大的关系，那边的柿饼这样子风。这个烘干下来会特别好，是不是？
对，因为柿子通常经过削皮之后，然后拿去外面晒太阳，晒壁早，然后晒干的过程当中呢，那个刚好有那个九江風一吹过来，又是更会让那个柿饼的品质更好。
Of course, okay. Again, because of these gusty winds in Hsinchu, drying persimmons becomes very ideal around that area. 所以九降風就帮助了我们可以吃到好吃的柿饼了。
对啊。
Okay, let's review some of these terms. The gusty winds in Hsinchu, 九降風
九江風
and you can make dried persimmon cakes, 也就是柿餅
吃的
餅啊，如果只是柿子而已的话呢？
吃的
就吃的 Okay, 吃的 is the persimmon. So there you go. Enjoy this cake that is a delicacy of Hsinchu when you go there in the next few months. Try it next time, really. You're going to love it. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.